Hello, friends, welcome back. This is Mr. Brooks from the Brooks ICT Multiverse, and today I'm going to show you how to remove parts of an image that we don't need. Like, if you are two people and you want to erase one person from the picture, we're going to use an AI to do that. Stick around and I'll show you more. Remember, this is not to be confused with cropping or blurring, these are totally different methods. See ya in a bit. Well, so how do we do this? Well, if you want to remove unwanted objects from a photo, we're going to use Cleanup.picture as I had said earlier. Well, it can remove objects, people, or defects. The AI algorithm will reconstruct what was behind the object in just one click. How cool is that? Well, another interesting thing is that it's based on AI, which is much better than clone stamp tools like Adobe Photoshop Fix that needs a background reference. While its AI is truly able to guess what was behind the unwanted text, the unwanted people, or even unnecessary objects in just a few clicks. You're going to see how that works. And then you can import and edit pictures of any size for free, up to 720 pixels. This is for the free version. That's a good deal for me. If you want higher versions, you can always go for Pro and pay for it. And here is the price list. For free, you can do as many images as you want, but uh, for unlimited resolution, that starts from around $3. Okay, without much further ado, let's get to the practicals. I'm going to type cleanup.pictures and I'm going to press enter, and it will take me to this website. Let us take a look. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is locate your image. So my sample image is on the desktop of these two beautiful ladies. Well, I'm going to remove one, so I'll continue with the standard uh, size. If you want high quality HD, then definitely you could try the 3-day professional trial, but I don't want to do that, so I'm going to click continue with standard. Now from here we can reduce or increase the size of our brush. There is also an eraser there, so I'm going to select the part of the image that I don't want to appear very well. This is what we are able to do. So I need this girl gone, like she was never there. Okay. Let's see. So once I'm done with that, the beauty of this is that the AI takes less than 2 minutes to be done. And let's wait and see what it's able to do. I don't like this part. I may have to Wow, look at that. Would you look at that? Well, only a professional would tell that someone was here because of the little bit of shadow that is there. But let me get rid of that. I just love this. Wow. I think now we're good. Well, once you're satisfied with that, I'm going to click download. So I'll download and save it on the desktop as well. Okay, so let's be on my desktop. Click save. So let's go to the desktop. Well, this is my original image, and this is the one without the other girl who we've just erased using an AI. How cool is that? Well, if you have other ideas of how to do this, I'm not talking about Photoshop and all that. If there is another app, a web app out there that is better than Cleanup, let me know down on the comments below. Otherwise, see you next time. Please consider subscribing and liking the video. Bye bye.